Plopsa Coo now, and this is the second park of this day. We started the day on Belgium. We did like a quick stop there just to go on Amazonian on a couple of rides. Make sure to check this video as well.
Obviously we came to a Plopsa park to go on a spinning roller coaster. Not quite Ride of Happiness though. And this one's down as well.
It does look really good. This park looks amazing. It's in the middle of nowhere. It's surrounded by trees, by mountains.
We have to run through the fountains to get to Bumba.
Which is which? This park is the same chain as Plopsaland, as Holiday Park.
So you have Bumba.
We can enter with our Plopsa Pass. The rides kind of have the same theming as all the other parks, but this park feels really different because of the surroundings, and they have some unique stuff like the
I would
cable
say
car.
that this is one of the most beautiful settings for a theme park in Europe out of like all the parks. I mean, the surrounding area is just absolutely gorgeous. There's this massive river and mountains and scenery. I think this is a gorgeous park, or gorgeous setting for a park at least. Then there's Bumba.
It doesn't fit here, it doesn't fit the area, but at the same time the park looks really nice, not only because of the trees in the area that is located, but the rides itself, how they themed the whole thing. So let's go on this Smurfs coaster.
Last time I came here was a few years ago, and they just started retheming this to Smurfs coaster, so I went on it. But it looked a lot different back then. Now we've got a whole Smurfs, got Smurfs Kitchen. Plopsa's got this new deal with Smurfs. Holiday Park in Germany's getting a new Smurf ride as well. This is surprisingly good. I remember really enjoying this ride.
It has a big lift hill and like a terrain one, which is great.
It's actually a really good
Ooh, yeah, the queue looks really good. Alright, it's terrain. I like it because it's terrain and it's different. It's not like the most thrilling coaster in a Plopsaland, but it's for a family ride. It's good. It has like this airtime moment.
Yeah, the airtime moment is really good. I quite like it. I like the terrain element.
Let's do the log flume, the Maya log flume. We're bailing the log flume because it's just a log flume, it doesn't look good. We only have 2 more hours of park opening and we do have other priorities.
Every Plopsaland has like a dinosaur area and it's got a different water ride. This dinosaur area has some water slides.
I like this one.
Yeah,
I like with the bones.
The blue one's the best one. The blue one's very unique. You go up there and you launch down backwards.
Wait, what?
So you go up that way and then you go up vertical and then you do it
see.
backwards and then you come down there. K3 is not a Vekoma Junior coaster here, but it's a, I don't know, some weird fire engine tractor thing.
Yay, it's open! I love this train. I love this station. Probably one of the best in a Plopsa park. Really, really good.
I run like a toboggan thing, but you can't go on it because it's raining. Or well, it's not raining, but it might rain. And if it rains, you can't brake. And if you can't brake, you crash. But I still think you could crash if it's not raining.
So we zeroed the park, we did all the credits, which is only 2. This was the other ride that we wanted to do here, and the cable car.
Gabby, ready? Way. It's open.
Oh, it didn't open. Oh,
Yeah. That's why we're excited. Toboggan ride. Gabby's going first. Go, go, go.
Oh, okay.
thought it was automatic stopping.
This is amazing. I love this. Basically, you are completely free. There is nothing holding you. There is no seatbelt. There is no type of restraint.
You need to brake, though.
We didn't.
I think I almost fell off like 4 times. There's a point where there's a couple corners I was going around, I almost fell off, and I had to put my hand.
I mean, you cannot brake, but it feels so dangerous.
Safety first, mate. That was pretty safe, that one as well.
Now we're gonna do probably the last ride of the day, that is the cable car. Park closed at 6, but they just shut the queue now, and it's
5:15. We decided to jump in the queue now because we didn't want to miss it. We wanted to do because it's a very unique part of this park. Made it on cable car.
It's taking a while to get people on. The queue was taking forever. Every other chair is going empty. There's only one person at the station, and she's loading and unloading. While she's unloading one chair, there is another chair going empty.
Yeah, that took a while. That took about 40 minutes.
We joined the queue, it was 5:15. It's now almost 6. So definitely this is going to be the last ride that we're going to do today. It's about half an hour, right? To
Yeah.
go up and down.
Yeah, so it's very unique that you sit on this cable car and it takes us up the side of the hill, back down. I don't really see this in many other parks. Something unique for Plopsa Coo.
Yeah, I'm happy we're doing this.
You bored yet?
I'm thinking of how long it's gonna take until we get there and come back.
We've literally just got over the water.
Yeah, we just crossed the lake. Holy shit, I'm not bored anymore. Look who's going down. Can you see it?
Well, the Mayan bee.
Yes.
Maya the bee and the Viking thing.
Yes.
Just...
They have a seatbelt. Look, they have a seatbelt. Why they have a fucking seatbelt and I don't have a seatbelt? Why I don't have a seatbelt? I want a seatbelt.
I won't lie, I don't like this. I mean, they freak me out, these two.
I hate this. I don't know why I'm here.
Nor do I.
So I hate, as you can see, we're completely free here, and I kind of don't like it. It's fun on the toboggans to be free and feeling like you're gonna crush and fell out of it.
Yeah, because you're not at height, you're on ground level.
Yeah.
That's why toboggan's all right. This, I'm just holding my bag. I've held my bag before. Earlier today when we were going around the park, I was holding my bag and I was fine with it then. But now, I don't know. But what's also worse is my phone's in my pocket. Now, I'm not expecting any airtime on this fucking... Okay, yeah, my hand is on my phone, okay? I know I'm not expecting any airtime on this ride, but... And my phone's never fallen out of my pocket.
Yeah, but we're gonna be leaning now and your phone is gonna
Ah, don't say that! Don't say that! Oh, no, careful with your arm. You might knock my phone out.
It's just stupid because it's just boring.
Is it cool? Or is it just unique? That's the question.
It is a very cool view.
My
They have
phone
a
out.
seatbelt on that as well. This one has a seatbelt. Look, can you see? Only on one side. Right, only on one side has a seat.
Oh, I don't like you moving around like this. Well, no, we'll look when we get off. We'll take a look.
Oh, we're shaking. It's not because of me. It's because now we're gonna start going on these wheels, and every time we go through a wheel, we shake.
Yeah, and we're going more steeper now.
I really don't like this.
I don't like going up. I don't like going up. There's got to be something at the top because the point of this is a transportation ride. No, I'm sorry, it's a transportation ride.
Right, so we just made it to the top, and it feels like we just need to queue again.
Yeah, it looks like we can walk around though. View is really shit. There's trees in the way and we can't see the park.
So we made it to the top, and there's like this tower that we can go up.
There's a picture frame because you can't actually see the park.
Now we're going down. I wish we had done the water slide, the blue dinosaur water slide. That shoots you backwards instead of this. But it's fine, at least now you know.
Plopsa Coo! Finished on a high, literally, at the top of a mountain. Not a good high.
It's an interesting park. I'm glad I came here. Don't need to come back again.
Yeah, I don't think Plopsaland or Studio100 suits this park. If it was an independent park that had independent IPs, made it more like a nature park, something like Efteling, that is what would make this park thrive, because the location is amazing with the water and mountains. But as a Plopsa park, I don't think these IPs look great. It just doesn't suit the vibe of the area.
I'm fine doing as a half-day park. We haven't done everything. The park was really quiet, but I'm happy with our day here.
I don't feel like you want to re-ride stuff here. It's not the type of park to come to re-ride. One and done for everything, and just enjoy the park for what it is.